New cars are really roving computers, loaded with hardware, software, and the ability to get over-the-air updates. So it makes sense that car makers can turn on or turn off a car's feature whenever they want to, unless you pay for it. That's what BMW is rolling out. Your Friday Consumer Tech Update is brought to you by LinkedIn. In uncertain times, it's important to build the right team. Visit linkedin.com/Kim and get $50 off your first job post. Terms and conditions apply. Your new BMW will soon come with every single option. But maybe the seat cooler or the driver's backseat massager doesn't work. Why? You didn't subscribe to the monthly fee for those features. And it's not only comfort features, but the car's safety options like lane keeping assistance and adaptive cruise control. Every BMW built after this month will be compatible with this quote-unquote upgrade. Great. So our car's functions are turning into an in-app purchase. I hope they offer parental settings, too. I have a ton of how-to videos on my YouTube channel. Check them out at youtube.com/KimKomando.